Oh, hi, hi, hi. Am I muted? I'm tinkering with things. Um, I got music going, for starters. Um, yeah. Hi, hi, hi. Hopefully everyone had a great weekend. And I totally haven't been addicted to Monster Hunter, I promise. And I totally don't want to play more. Totally! Okay, maybe I do. Maybe a little bit. Okay, maybe a lot more than that. But, and don't let the background fool you either. Totally not a Monster Hunter. Maybe. Look, the rules are I'm a witch, therefore, by default, I'm innocent of um, anything. Yes. Mm. But hopefully everyone's doing well. I need to hello, tracking, track correctly. Ah. Alright, there we go. Uh, Alright. But hopefully everyone had a great weekend. We're gonna be doing some last minute stuff for the game jam. Cause it dawned on me this weekend. There's no way to see your mouse. Flat out. So I need to disable that. Two, I need to comment out our debug before I make the build again. And just kind of like refining everything. Polishing what is essentially terrible to make it bearable. So we're turning terrible into bearable, and that's about it. But I did see a notification that Nova was thinking of getting another week. As far as I can tell, that's not been the case. Which is fine. This is last minute stuff. I don't plan on extending this out. If she does give another week, I may look into making the physics shader. Otherwise, not really gonna be much. Outside of that, a lot of what we're gonna be working on this week. I set up a schedule. I did the thing. So we're gonna be doing some last minute game jam stuff tonight. Tomorrow we'll be working. I will try to rework some of the emotes. I will pick one of the emotes to rework. Wednesday, strictly working on a lot of the overlay stuff. So there's gonna be some art mixed in with some things. And then I'm gonna do a test Thursday of starting earlier. Now, that is specifically 3 hours earlier. Just as kind of an experiment for myself. And then Friday, no stream at all. Because one thing is my weekends essentially go by so fast that is like, huh, oh, it's because I stream a good portion of my weekend by basically being in the DJing hours of the night. So I was like, let me take Friday off. So, yeah. That is a summarization of the schedule. I want to try some. I want to see how an earlier time would affect me Thursday, but yeah, because if I like the earlier time and I can push myself to do the 10 12 hour streams that I typically did, or even 8 hours, I still would be in the realm of ending where I typically do now. So, yeah. Um, so yeah, I want to try that. And that's what a lot of people would tend the words tend to be doing, is kind of like starting in the evening and like going so forth. Which means I need to sleep earlier. Or no. Yeah, technically. Um, because I want to at least give myself a 2 hour buffer, so that's 4 o'clock. So yeah, that's more or less what we're gonna try. I'm gonna try that Thursday. Besides that, there's gonna be a lot more arting this week, and um, we're gonna be working on some overlay stuff and things like that. After this game jam, I said it last week, but a lot more channel related things. And as for VODs, I am going to do VODs differently just because of how inconsistent I've been lately. Just as a future proofing myself. If there isn't a stream, I will upload a VOD. If there is yeah, that's more or less the change I'm going to start doing. So for every no stream, there's going to be a VOD uploaded. So that means Friday, expect a VOD on YouTube. Now for weekends, I may upload VODs. Because uploading VODs every day is very easy to kind of mess up, because it's like, hey, I didn't stream this day, I don't have a VOD for the day after. So anyway, but yeah, that's about it for the channel. I need to go get some caffeine, so I will be right back, like really quickly. I'm just getting a drink, so alright, hear me. Hi. I'm back. I am back with Dwink. So, yeah. Alright. It looks like there's also a 4.4 release of Godot right now. If we finish a lot of last minute changes, we'll look into that. And start porting over some of these folders or projects. Who knows? We may even start working on some stuff. So, yeah. Sorry, did not want to pop anyone's ears opening this drink. I'm trying to pop a can open, not your ears. Alright. Alright. So, we need to go into the player scene here. Yes. Script. So, because we need to get it to where this let's see, what's confined to? Well, you can still see the mouse, but it's confined. What happens if Windows is... Okay, the Windows key still works. But I do want a button. Well, actually, should we put a button? So we can make it visible. Or should we just set it to visible by default? There's no reason to confine it. So... yeah. Dun, dun, dun. We vibing now. I got music. Y'all can hear the music. Now I will mute it periodically for the sole reason ads. You're already getting bombarded every hour with 3 minutes of ads. I don't want to put y'all through audible ads because I didn't pay for Spotify Premium. So, yeah. All right. Comment that out. Pass. I need to find a good playlist. I made a playlist, but yeah. I need to update my playlist. I haven't updated it because of the sole reason of y'all haven't been able to listen to it. So it's just like, I'll just listen to whatever. So you happy for that? Down so long, I have nothing to lose. My head, me what to do. Fuck that. Step your shoe in my bag. I should break in yours too. Nothing to lose. You against me, me against you. Two, you against me, me against you. Alright. What other issues? We have a mouse issue. Comment this out. Oh, I'm tabbed into the wrong thing. Honestly, this is probably this is probably all I need to do is fix the issue with the mouse. We could probably do some silly things such as doing something like this. Hi, Elden. Hello. Hi, hi. Why am I getting booped? Huh? 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 Hmm? Why I get booped? Hi, Alden. How's your day going? Hopefully it's going well. Is it cute what you boop? No. Not cute. No. 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 Wow, Spotify really tried to do the ad, just kind of like slip it in there. Uh-huh. I caught that. Your day's going okay? No. 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 Not cute. Alright, this looks like this is about it. I've commented out the debug command. Only thing that should be working is the buttons. And the mouse visible. So, yeah. Save all scenes. Export. Release. Bam. Alright. Now, chat. This should be fine. Okay. We're gonna test this. Let's see if we can find it. Citadel, yes. Alchemy and chill. We need to look for build. Today is the 3rd. Okay, so it did update these. Oh, yeah. So let's go ahead and... Ayo. We'll probably remove that X. Because that's a useless X, so let's go ahead and do that. In the UI. Just have the credits there. We're gonna delete. Why want you to run to the stores? Back in a bit. No worries. Be safe on your trip. Thank you, thank you. Right. Now we can run the build. Yep. And then we can do this. Compress to a zip file. Hmm. Um. Edit. Not the theme. Um. Edit game. Yes. Hell yeah. It's updated. Alright. Alright, that's done. Very easy. Just needed to fix the mouse so people can actually fucking see what they're clicking on. And then if they want to exit out of the file, they can. That's Task Manager. No, we don't want to close that. We want to close the File Explorer. Alright, there we go. Now that that's done. And we're only 30 minutes in, so let's do some more. Let's do some more stuff. Let's go ahead and migrate. Let's go ahead and get the new Godot 4.0. Godot, free open source 4.4. All right, let's cut this. Go in here. Paste it in here. Okay, let's open up 4.4. What have they done? What have they changed? Let's go ahead and... Yeah, this is the one constant. This and probably Snake Studio. As of Godot 4.4, scenes and resources use UIDs to reference scripts and shapers. Normally, just save it. Okay, we need to back it up. Back up our file then. All right. Hold on. Well, I'm glad they said something. So they reworked the way that all the systems and files operate. That's not cool. Well, it is kind of cool, but not specifically cool in this context. Alright. We got a previous build. So let's try this. Why did I close that file explorer like a dumbass? Alright. Uh-huh. Open. Alright, chat, let's test this out. They changed the way that this window looked. Wait, can we test this in real time? Can we test this in real time? Hold up. Um, I want to see something. Holy, wait a minute. We can test this in real time, chat. Nutty. Okay, let's try something more physical. I want to try this. Alright, chat. Watch this. Let's try this. Alright, I'm tabbed in here. Alright, I'm gonna be tabbed in this. I'm not in my thing. Let's fucking go. We can do it in real time now. It's starting to feel like a game engine. Holy shit. Let's go. That's cool. No more stopping and replaying it. That's kind of fucking pong. Not gonna lie. Hell yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I did something else. Okay. That's actually kind of like cool. I kind of want to tinker with this now. uh, okay. Oh, but wait a minute. Wait a minute. They didn't deprecate completely, did they? They didn't get rid of the yeah, did they? Oh, we're about to find out. Chat. Okay, they didn't. That's good. That's good. Yeah. No, this is actually really, really good. And I'm not bullshitting in that in any regard. Like, being able to do things as something's running, infinite Pong. Because I did a bulk of, like, testing different things doing that. Back when, I was working with Unity. Like, if I needed to push a change or something, and this is ignoring like Git and everything like that, like kind of like that kind of setup, but just individually working on something as something's running, it's like I would forget I'm running it, so I would work on it, and then I would go to check in the actual running thing. It's like, okay, this is saved. Does this work? And stuff like that. Or being able to move something, like seeing the player move around, which is a good idea. Like if my inputs aren't working, and it's like, why aren't they working? So I can then go into the code and go, oh wait, let me put this in here. Now let me look over, and yeah. This is cool. They put the game as a tab. But wait, why has it got a pop-up menu? Look. If they're gonna give me a pop-out... If they're gonna pop the thing out anyway... not sure about that. Let's see. Editor settings. Hi Zen, how about you? Doing good? That's good. I'm doing okay. I've been kind of addicted to Monster Hunter. I made it to high rank stuff this weekend, and I've just been kind of like doing my own thing. I am like Hunter rank 20. I'm capped out. Just hunting like the new well, new, I say with quotes, monsters that showing up, and just kind of like going through the different zones and like exploring everything. Still low rank because you've only been playing once. So, yeah, that's fair. That's fair. I've been doing a bunch of side stuff. Where are you at in low rank? You're in no rush? The low rank stuff, weirdly enough, is probably the shortest part of the game so far. You'll get through it much quicker than you would have if you played World or Rise. but I won't spoil anything. Because I thought I was rushing at some point. As well, some people are saying there's no content, so overall rating and one person. No content? I'm sorry, what? Who's saying that? Did they play World? Did they play Rise? The content's already there. It's literally hunting monsters. That's the game. What, did they expect a raid or something? A dungeon? If they... Yeah. World had like nothing on release. I didn't play Rise on release because it came out on the Switch. But again, with I I assume something's gonna happen. They always have a gimmick for in game. But if we compare it to World and it's more like Worlds in game, that's you're just hunting monsters. You're making your little hunter rank number go up. That was it. And getting better equipment and fashion. That's it. That was all there is. I yeah, there's a way to turn off the secret movement. Um Now the story on the other hand, it does if you're feeling like the story is really kind of like on rails, like kind of like where there's like a bunch of guardrails of like you can't deviate movement wise on your secret, that's intentional. The way they did the story for low rank is way different in comparison to World and Rise. Um, it's really good. It's actually decent. It's actually probably. I'm biased for Rise. I think Rise, with its added, um, mythical like kind of like twist on things, was really cool. And was just kind of like badass. But this one's like a close, like, they're kind of like neck and neck. But Wild is, I feel it's much more contained. Because I'm trying to not spoil anything. But like, low rank story is much more on rails, much more direct. It's exactly. Um, I'm going to say that that feeling, you can definitely do that. Um, they give you plenty of opportunities to do so. Um, but I get the feeling like because I always had the feeling it's like I gotta progress the main story, not even because just trying to catch up with friends or anything, but I'm doing all the side stuff that I can find. It's just none of the side stuff is popping. That's because the way they structured low rank and high rank, they've done it differently. Low rank now, without spoiling any of the actual story or monsters or anything like that, they've worked it differently. Low rank feels more like if they made a game as an action adventure and had a beginning and an end and cut it off. So there's like not much open world. They're not doing anything different. It's like very like hold your hand. Here's the monster. Go fight monster. It's only until you get to high rank you start getting that familiar loop of finding monsters, multiple ones, seeing the world change and things like that. So a lot of what you were experiencing in the beta only happens towards high rank. Like that gameplay loop. So low rank almost feels like they wrote a cool story, but it's like Act 1. Exactly, yeah. Exactly. And that's another thing people forget. People forget Monster Hunter is a live service game. This is probably their most live service like game that they've made so far. Because a lot of the groundwork they have for the monsters, the environments, the world itself. Do you know how insane they can get with that? Like, there's dynamic weather. So, yeah. So they could come out with things like um seasonal like monsters that they can like weave in and out. There's a lot of things they can do with that. There's a lot of headaches. What is hi Pika? How is you? Yes, Monster Hunter. The new Monster Hunter, Monster Hunter Wilds. I've not been addicted, I promise. It is very cool, yeah. Like, I would say Wilds, if people are complaining about content, A, they didn't do fucking everything. They did not do everything. Just flat out. I know they didn't. For the sole reason, there's so much small endemic life. There's so many fish that they can be catching. And guess what? Just like in Rise, their time of day, they have set parameters of when they show up. Some come out at night, some come out at day, some come out during specific weather. So, yeah. And the same for monsters and things like that. So, that, they said there's no concept. Well, I just say go get your capture net, get your fishing pole, and start working on your field journal. Then come back. Salty and wrong they are. uh, what they did is probably beat the story, and are then kind of like, what would I do now? And it's like, you hunt monsters. I thought that was self-evident. That's what you've been doing the entire time. You're doing more of it. Didn't Pokemon Black and White do that? I don't know. I haven't really played the Pokemon games. What weapon do I play? I use Big Sword. Specifically the Great Sword. I'm basically dual wielding them. I have a physical one and an elemental one. Uh and they did the cool thing with high rank. You unlock layered armor at high rank. That's not really a spoiler. That's just them incorporating something from Rise into this one. So, yeah. No more Guiding Lands BS. As far as I know. I don't know. There could be. There could be a Guiding Lands thing. I don't know. I haven't made that far yet. Rip, not the ads. Hey, look! The timer's working. Hell yeah. But, yeah. I expect a lot of cool title updates with Wilds. And even then, there's seasonal stuff that they're gonna do. They always do seasonal things. Like Halloween. Actually, what is it? What month is it now? It's March, right? So, April, May. So they're gonna do like a spring event soon. Give you Cherry Blossom Wyvern. I mean, the Brawlers give us Cherry Blossom armor, so I think that was actually an armor set they made. Maybe, I think. You're gonna go get lunch? Get the lunch. Get the noms. Nom, nom, nom. Thank you, thank you. Probably going to be working on and just kind of looking around this update for Godot. That's gonna be hard because I've been playing it on PlayStation and they don't have a means to fucking what is it called? Really like share it into Discord, which is which sucks. So there's like so aggravating. You can only do voice chat with Discord, and it's like I want Discord on my PlayStation. I want like full thing, not just voice. Ah. Who knows? I might try to stream some of it later. So yeah. Maybe trying to stream it later. I might try to stream later. Or not try to stream later, but like try to stream the game later. I can word things, I promise. Alright. Let's see what else they got going on with this. Uh-huh. Let's see. Okay, I'm not seeing anything. That does that. Okay, let me get off of this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Alright. Um so let's see. Okay. All right. Well, you know what? You finally done with the podcast. Nice, nice. What am I cooking? Don't know yet. I'm just kind of looking around the new update to Godot, which is on 4.4. The silence and noise scared you? Nah, how am I getting boot? Nah. That noise suppression was too good. One pound for Pika. And why you boot me, Elden? Huh? 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 Because you got scared. You got scared, so therefore hit time. Alright. Um, let's see. Yeah. So, new updates kind of interesting. The biggest thing I like is being able to adjust stuff in real time as I'm running it. Um, Besides that, hmm, not much else I can think of. Um, yeah, the new update is pretty cool. Like I said, the only thing that really sticks out is this one. Um, and if I was to do any more overlay work, it would be strictly for like the textures of this and that. So yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Wait. Could I? Oh no. Let's see. How much does this use? It uses 350 megabytes of my memory. Okay. I think. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can find it. No, that's not it. No, it uses 30. So it doesn't use too much. So in that case, I do want to try something. Wait. I want to. Hmm. You just realized something? Company gave you stuff to edit at home and an external SSD. The SSD is half the price of your laptop. Holy. That's an expensive SSD. There's 8 terabytes. Ah. So, what games we downloading? uh. That's my entire Steam library. And I don't even fill half of that. I only got like 15 games on Steam, so that just means I need to throw some gotchas on there. Uh, you're be real. One of the camera recordings take more storage than all of your games installed. Just one. Yeah, that is true. Videos take up so much goddamn space, and it makes no sense. Well, it makes sense, but still. Like, what the fuck? Uh, Alright. Here's what I'm. Alright, that's high bitrate exports for you. Mm. What? What's the average bitrate for these exports? Now I'm curious. Mm-hmm. Interesting. Okay, so it's not internet bitrate. Never mind. It's an MXF format. I've seen that type of format before. I never really messed with it though. That and it made your laptop cry. Oh. There, laptop. There. Uh, it's 3:30 a.m. Okay. Walked into your room. Okay. And went turn off the heater. It wasn't the heater. Oh, jeez. I just imagine a laptop on a treadmill. And you didn't notice the jet you had? Mood. You should have heard. My PS4. Oh, no, that thing was ready to go. It was ready to take off until. Uh, it's like, hey, I'm going to the moon. I'll be right back. Those fans could scramble an egg. Yeah. Uh, yeah, they probably could. What? 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 No, no. I'm not kill. No, no. Takes one to know one, just saying. Hey, yo. Hi, yeah. How is you? How is you? You okay? Mm, that's good. Alright. I have one thing I want to work on with this. You also may have you may have had an idea that might be so stupid it might just work. Do you know the Tesla GPUs with serial video outputs? No, I don't. Are you saying put one of those into a computer and just give your computer extra fans, cut it on, and see if you make a jet that blows up? That comes later. What? Uh-huh. There's a Tesla M50 model. Okay. it's basically RTX 3060 for €50. Because it's big companies cycling those GPUs. I want to get rid of those. And they got 12 gigabytes. I'd be more worried about it blowing up, if I'm being honest. You would either make a render farm or have three of those on a desktop and have it work on Big Boy stuff on DaVinci. Ooh. Okay. Ah, that makes sense. It has 12 gigabytes of RAM, I assume. Okay, okay. I need a GPU that has more RAM in it. I only have 6. But I don't know what I should upgrade first in my computer anyway. Show another €50. You got 24 gig. But for gaming, it's no bueno. DX12 games is no bueno. Got it. DX11 is basically 1080. Oh. I think I have a 1660 NVIDIA. TI, I think. Yeah. An A4 feature. Oh. Okay. Got it. Makes sense. I don't know computer parts, but it makes sense. It checks out. Alright. Is there a way? Oh. Right, that's the yap and break for you. Keep on coding there because you'll be right back. Honestly, I might try to switch to a game because honestly, I don't know what to really work on. There's one thing I want to work on, but I'm not sure if I want to do it in this or just do it in something else that has support for it. But if I decide to phase out Neon, I would probably need to. Anytime someone comes in with a raid, I was thinking of making stuff fall from on the screen, little meteors or something. And little 2D meteors just falling. I ain't got nothing done for it yet. It's just something I just thought of doing, but I'm not sure because I feel like I want to get more of the textures and stuff done first. Um, Technically, I guess they do. I think. I don't know. What I would be doing is basically just creating sprites that fall. And they'll hit like a barrier or something and despawn. Does it have to be generated? What do you mean? I guess you could make it more of like because I was thinking because like um Owl has like the Finch and stuff, and I think that's really cool. And I'm just trying to think of some type of thing that isn't Finch, right? But like has that kind of like idea, that concept. Um, Possibly, I don't know. Outside of that, mm, I don't know if they have a particle system. It's the thing. That's showing documentation will know your prime memories when you mess with Unity. Mm. Honestly, I'm not even sold on the whole meteor idea either. I do want something on the screen to kind of be interactive. Because I'm gonna be redoing a lot of things. That's my homework. You'll be graded. I'll be graded. Oh my god. Uh, now you'll be right back. All right. Uh, yeah, I'm not entirely sure if I want to do it that way though. Hmm. Let's see. If hmm. Let's see. Uh, let's see. So, in order to do this, I need to make a scene. Um, okay. Yeah, no, honestly, I should kind of like work on refining what I have first and foremost. And getting like textures and shaders and things like that done first before I add more things. So, yeah. Yeah, that's what we'll do. All right. In that case, nothing really else to do. What I could do, and because I'm just kind of like honestly feeling like it, playing some Monster Hunter. I really want to play more Monster Hunter. However, this might be an issue because I need to hook the controller in, which I might bump the Ethernet cable, which will fuck up the stream. So, but fuck it, we send up. All right. So here's what I'll do. I'm gonna get up, stretch. I do all those things, and I'll be back. Hopefully with Monster Hunter up and it not being pixelated, the audio not being buggy, or anything like that. However, if it starts to do that, we'll have to swap out. We'll have to swap that out. We'll have to do something. I'll have to see how to fix it. So, I will be RB. So, I'm gonna let y'all vibe to some of this music. Hopefully any ads don't play. But I'm gonna try to keep an ear for it. So, BRB.